Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to show you this look. It's an Americana type Labor Day, 4th of July, any type of celebration where we are celebrating our beautiful colors of the USA, which are red, white, and blue. And I absolutely love this look, and I hope you will love it just as much as I do. And sit tight for the tutorial. I am so excited to show this look to you. I think it's a really fun 4th of July, patriotic, Americana, Pioneer Day, Labor Day, any of those above, where you want to show a little bit of that red, white, and blue that makes this country amazing colors that we hold our hand over our heart to, salute to, and sing to and about. So I've already put powder underneath my eyes, keep from any fallout. And what I'm going to start with today is Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette. Ta-da! This is a really great palette. I've used it a lot of the time. And today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick this really taupey color right up here. I'm going to take my super famous fluffy brush and pack it on in there, tap off that excess and apply that to the brow bone, just like so. And this is just really light, it almost matches my skin tone, and I want it that way just to provide that upper brow with some color and some smoothness while I create this look. And just brush it on like that. So the next color I'm going to be using is this really red right here called Cherry Soda. Yes, Cherry Soda. And this is a super fun color that a lot of people are probably scared of, but I definitely wanted to dive in and try it. So I'm just going to take a tapered brush, pack it on in there, tap off the excess, and again with this upward motion because I want it to be on that brow bone but just below that gradient color that I just applied, and do quick little swoopy motions. Put on a little more if you need, because I want this to be pretty red over here on this outer side and gradually get lighter as we go in, like so. And just keep doing those little windshield wipers with a little bit of those circle motions so it buffs, bleh, bleh, blends out and buffs that sharp edge. There we go. Now we can talk with all those bees. Ha hee those bees. And we're gonna move on to the other eye because I think I'm super funny, but you know, not everyone does. And buff and blend, B. That red color, Cherry Soda. I want it to be a little bit darker over here, so I'm always gonna start at that outer edge and then blend over and in. And I'm not being super careful with this. It's okay if it gets down below that crease line. I just really want it to be up on that upper line there. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take Morphe's concealer in 0. It is white. It's just white. And I'm going to apply a little bit of that to the back of my hand, like so. Put that away. I'm going to take a real tapered brush. This is the Sephora Pro Packing Shadow number 13. I cannot talk. So I scoop up just a little bit of this, probably about that much. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack this on that lid just below the crease. And just do little tapping motions. I want this color down here on the bottom to be really bright. So I'm going to use this white to help me achieve that look. And just keep packing and packing and packing until, and then if you want, there, smooth out that line just a little bit. You can leave it a little rough if you like. It's really what you think looks best. So now that you have this type of look, you see the difference? So that white area is going to really pop those colors, and that's what I want. So again, we'll just take a little bit, go to the other side. I kind of start in the middle because that's where I want my white to be the whitest, and then tap out over to the inner corner and to the outer corner. Not really picking up any other product as I do that because I want the center to be the whitest, and then it kind of fades to those outer pieces like so. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the white that's on my hand so I don't smear it all over my hair or my face. Something really smart that I would do. The next thing that we're going to use is this really flat-headed brush like that. And I'm going to pick up this blood sugar color right here in the blood sugar palette. Imagine that. It's kind of a reddish color with a little bit of shimmer in it. And I am going to pack that, just dab, dab, dab in that outer corner. So this is like a deeper red. And pack, pack, pack. Little short motions like so. Now that I've got that darker color laid down, I'm going to rub it off, and I'm going to pick up this lighter salmon-y color that's called Prick. And just pick up enough of that like so. Tap off excess, and I'm going to dust it over the top of that darker red. So I want to give it just a little bit more of a red color. And the two of these mixed together seems to do that. So it's like that. So rub off the excess. I'm going to go back to that blood sugar color, tap off the excess, and do the same thing. Powder. I thought, oh, did I drop white down there? It's kind of hard to do since it's concealer, and it was powder from me baking. And start and pat, pat, pat. I'm doing little tiny dabs and little strokes. So I want it to be really concentrated over in this corner. And when I've got that, see how this one just has a little bit more of a vibrance to it than this side. So I'm going to rub off that excess. I'm going to pick up more of that Prick. And we're going to pack it over the top of that like so, and that just really vibrates makes that outer corner really vibrant. I don't know what kind of a mood I'm in tonight, but I think it's fun. So we're done with the blood sugar palette for now. And then we're going to pick up Blue Blood. This is a really fabulous palette. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this white called Cullinan, C-U-L-L-I-N-A-N, Cullinan. And I'm going to use a really flat brush with that, tap off the excess, and I am going to put that right in the center and pack it on. So see how that white, now it's really, really white right there. Yes, that's what I'm going for. Tap off the excess and do the same thing to the other side. And pack it on. I drug that a little high, that's okay. I'm going to rub off the excess because what I want to do next is this blue shimmery color right here, which is called Ocean Ice. And I'm going to pick that up. Ooh, I think this is going to be so pretty. Tap off the excess lightly because it is a very glitter. And then I want to press and pack this on right here in the corner. I'm going to pick up a little more just on that tip lightly tap off because I want to get that right here. See how that just really vibrated? I can't stop saying that. Really made that inner corner very vibrant, apparently. So now I have this red, white, blue. Very Americana. Pick up some more, lightly tap off the excess, and apply that to that inner corner. I think doing a really light color right on the center of the lid and then doing a darker, like this blue in the crease kind of just really changes and makes a different dynamic. Look how different that my eyes look than some of my other videos, but it's super fun. And this will be a really big talk at a lot of parties, I have a feeling, if you go to any and use it. So that's it for the upper eyelid. So what I would do here for the lower is I would go back to my blood sugar one. And I'm going to use my very tapered, fluffy, I was going to say, it's not, it's tapered, tiny brush. And I'm going to pick up that cherry soda color. Tap off the excess. And then right under here, it's almost like a little bit of an up motion. See how I'm holding this? And then I'm just going to drag it all the way across. So I want to really drag that red down. Pick up some more, tap off the excess, and go to the other eye. And swoop, 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 swoop. Like so. And pick up just a little bit more and put it in that corner to saturate it. Okay, so next I'm going to take this really tiny, let me put this down so I can show you. It's a smudging brush and it's made by Morphe, and this is a M508. And the next color I'm going to take is from the Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to take that really shimmery blue. And I'm going to just pick up a little bit there. Lightly tap off any excess, and again, kind of an upward motion, an upward motion. I'm going to slide this right along the lash line, and I'm going to kind of build it. So I want it to be slow and steady and go all the way across. Maybe it's because I lifted weights today. I don't know. I'm like super hyped and pumped. Like, yes, go. Yes. Oh, and I keep saying vibrate. Like vibrate. So just keep building that blue and smudging it down to meet that red. And I'm going to drag this almost all the way. Really making sure it goes up in that corner and dragging it over. So see how this kind of looks like, oh, she might be sick, but this looks like makeup. Okay. Tap off excess. Go in, smudge that blue across. So I'm going to take this really tiny, it's almost like a smudging brush, but this is the Jaclyn Hill JH42. And it's just another, it's a little bit longer than the smudging brush. And I'm going to go back in with that white color here, tap off the excess, and this I'm going to put right here on that bottom lash line in the corner. Put a little more, tap off that excess, and then drag right there. So it really opens up the eye. Okay. I am going to put some lashes and mascara and liner on, and I'll be back to talk about this look. Hang tight. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it for you guys, and it's just a really great, fun look. And I'm going to close my eyes so you can see the final look, and then open them again so you can really see how lashes just kind of tie everything together. my opinion. So, but that's my opinion. Because I love lashes. I've been wearing them forever. It's like desert island, one thing that you could take with you. I could have to be lashes with glue. Like that's two things, but lashes and glue. I don't know what they would be useful for, but I would feel pretty. So, really, so I hope you enjoyed watching this. Like and subscribe below. Hit the little bell down below as well, and you'll get notified when I upload videos. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.